Hi everyone, in this video we will install Tableau Public, which is a free version. This Tableau Public can be used for our practice. Before installing the Tableau Professional Edition, which is available for 14 days of free trial, it is better to go with the Tableau Public and then practice few of the visualization, and then you can utilize the 14 days trial. So I have recorded this, so I'll just have to play and then show you. Just type Tableau Public. The first link you can just open free data visualization, and then in this enter your email address, give your email address, and then download the app. So you have to give your email address. It is available for both Windows as well as Mac. So I just gave my email address and then clicked on that download the app. Here it is downloading the Tableau Public free version. Once the download completes, we can go ahead and install the Tableau Public version. Now it's done. So we'll go and see in the folder. Now just double click on this Tableau Public. Now you have to accept the terms and conditions. And then install. This will take some time. So once the install is complete, it will just ask you to close. And then if you want to open the Tableau Public, just in the search window, just type Tableau Public, and then you can just open your Tableau Public. So this, I'm just opening it, and this is how it looks. When you open for the first time, it will be empty. The moment you start creating the visualization, all the recent ones will be appearing here. So in the next session, we'll see what exactly is this connection. There are different types of connection, and how many files you can connect. In the definitely in the free version, we don't have many options here to connect to the files or to the server, but in the paid version there are so many connections which are available. So whatever available in the Tableau Public, we'll see it, and in the 14 days trial version, if you want, you can just explore. So this is about the Tableau installation. It's very easy. This is about the Tableau installation. Thank you.